IC engine, automobile IC engine, power plant EC engine. Combustion in IC engine means internal combustion engine. Combustion taking place inside the engine. Power plant external combustion engine. Combustion takes place outside the engine. Why reciprocating mechanism in IC engine? Why centrifugal mechanism in EC engine? Power plant. IC small capacity, Vs is equal to pi by 4 d square L. EC large capacity, so we can't use reciprocating of large capacity. Large stroke in reciprocating medium, more vibrations. IC versus EC, which is more efficient, which is more power, which has more power output. Obviously, EC has more power output, external combustion, which is power plant. Efficiency is equal to 1 minus T min by T max. In IC engine, heat is supplied at higher temperature, so IC engine is more efficient. Can you design IC engine for more capacity? Example, marine ships. What is material in IC engine? Cylinder, cast iron, don't undergo much vibration made by casting. Piston, copper alloys more heat capacity to dissipate heat. Crank, connecting rod, steel by forging, called forged steel. Function of piston ring, cylinder head, piston rings to prevent direct rubbing of piston and cylinder, also serve purpose of leakage prevention. Lubrication can be provided. Made of cast iron and silicon alloy. Made of cast iron and silicon alloy. What do you mean by dead centers or strokes? Top dead center, bottom dead center, the length between them is stroke length. Here length is 2r, so L is equal to 2r. Vs is equal to pi by 4 d square L. D is equal to bore diameter. Small d means this bore diameter. Here R means this crank radius. Compression ratio R is equal to Vc plus Vs by Vc. Vc is clearance volume, Vs is swept volume. What do you understand by cc of a car? Cc means cubic capacity. Maruti 800 cc, Nano 600 cc. Cc cubic capacity. Engine multi-cylinder engine K, Vs swept volume of cylinder, K Vs cubic capacity of engine. SI spark ignition petrol, CA engine compression ignition auto ignition. Why petrol or gasoline in CSI engine? Good vaporization. Diesel in CA engine, low self ignition temperature. Difference between SI and CA engine. SI, CA theoretical cycle, Otto, CI diesel cycle, fuel, petrol, diesel. R compression ratio 6 to 10, 10 to 12. Less efficiency, more efficiency. Requires spark plug and carburetor. Here only fuel injector is required. Homogeneous combustion, heterogeneous combustion. Two stroke is more powerful and less efficient than four stroke. Scavenging, sweeping of burnt gases by fresh charge. Two stroke inlet, exhaust port and exhaust port. Four stroke inlet valve, exhaust valve. Controlled by cam and follower. Flywheel, high moment of inertia, I is equal to mk square. Mechanical reservoir, like it stores energy when it is in excess, and it releases energy when it is less. Four stroke requires larger flywheel as power is generated only in one of four strokes. Flywheel connected to crankshaft. Four stroke is heavier because of larger flywheel. Four stroke is costly because of valve mechanism. PV diagram for SI and CI. Otto diesel. PV, only difference is heat addition 2 to 3 process. Here constant volume heat addition. Here constant pressure heat addition. Isentropic compression, isentropic expansion. 4 to 1 is constant volume heat rejection. PV diagram for 2 stroke and 4 stroke SI engine. PV both will be same, but here 1 to 4 will be before 4 before BDC only 4 prime it will be heat will be rejected 1 prime 2 1 prime 2 3 4 prime 2 stroke SI engine. SI engine ideal versus real PV or PV 1 2 3 4 real it will go till clearance volume, but it won't be a compression, it won't be isentropic, and 2 to 3 it will not be completely constant volume, uh, then 3 to 4 will be like this. Indicator diagram actual diagram that and sensor. The actual PV diagram of combustion chamber PV W net to Vs. W net by Vs is equal to Pm is equal to PIMEP, mean effective pressure. Indicated power IP is equal to Pm into Vs dot. IP and BP indicated power, brake power, IP power which is obtained at piston head, BP power which is obtained at crankshaft is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. First law analysis of IC engine, fuel power, IP, BP, radiation. This is due to radiation, exhaust, coolant losses. IP and BP friction power is equal to pump plus friction plus auxiliaries. FP is equal to IP minus BP. Fuel power is equal to MF dot into calorific value kg per second megajoule per kg. IP is equal to PMLA by 60. Capital N is RPM of crankshaft, small n power strokes per minute. 4s 1 power stroke in 4 strokes. So small n is equal to n by 2 for 1 power stroke in 4 stroke, and n is equal to capital N for 1 power stroke in 2 stroke. BP is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Same for 2 stroke and 4 stroke as it is calculated at crankshaft. Eta VTH brake efficiency is equal to BP by fuel power is equal to 2 pi nt by 60 by MF dot into CV. Eta ITH is indicated efficiency is equal to IP by fuel power is equal to PM into Vs dot by MF dot into CV. Mechanical efficiency is equal to BP by IP. Here Vs dot is Vs into n by small n by 60, n by 2 for 4 stroke, n for 2 stroke. Volumetric efficiency eta V actual volume suction by swept volume rate is equal to Va dot by Vs dot is equal to Ma dot by rho A by Ms dot by rho S. Vs dot is equal to Vs into n by 60 is equal to pi by 4 d square L into n by 60. Mileage brake specific fuel consumption BSFC is equal to MF dot by BP kg per kilowatt hour. Mileage is inversely proportional to BSFC, which is nothing but brake power by MF dot. Equivalence ratio pi is equal to actual fuel air ratio by stoichiometric fuel air ratio. Air 23% O2 plus 77% N2 by volume. Stoichiometric mixture pi is equal to 1, and rich mixture pi greater than 1, lean mixture pi less than 1. Air standard cycles Otto diesel fuel assumption ideal gas CPCV constant with temperature reversible. Actual CPCV increases but gamma decreases as temperature increases. PV is equal to MRT. Otto SI petrol constant volume heat addition cycle PV will be like this 1 to 2, TS will be like this 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Vc plus Vs is equal to V1, R is equal to V1 by V2, Vc is equal to V2, dou T by dt by ds V is equal to T by Cv, dt by dsp is equal to T by Cp, T by Cp. This constant volume line has a more slope. Eta is equal to 1 minus T1 by T2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by R power gamma minus 1. PV power gamma is equal to constant. TV power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. T power gamma P power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. If we use argon instead of air, efficiency increases, because if you draw eta and gamma, for gamma 1.3 like this, 1.4 like this, 1.67 like this, gamma increases, then efficiency increases. Monoatomic here. Working between same Tmax and Tmin will Carnot and Otto have same efficiency. No, because Tmax here is a constant. But here Tmax is this, but Tma will be here. So eta cannot greater than eta Otto. Eta cannot is equal to 1 minus T1 by T2 max by min. Eta Otto is equal to 1 minus T1 by T2 min, not maximum. Diesel cycle PV 122, 223, 324. TS will be similar, but constant pressure and constant volume lines will be varying. Eta is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by R power gamma minus 1 into RC power gamma minus 1 by gamma into RC minus 1. This whole factor is always greater than 1. For same compression ratio, then Otto is more efficient than diesel. Otherwise, diesel is more efficient. Actual eta diesel greater than eta Otto because it has a more compression ratio. Dual cycle is combination of constant pressure heat addition and constant volume heat addition. TS 2 to 3, 3 to 4. P3 by P2 is equal to pressure ratio. Fuel rating. SI engine octane number, petrol or gasoline. C8H18 isooctane octane number is 100. C7H16 N-heptane octane number is 0. CI engine C10 number diesel C16H34 and C10 number 100. C11 H10 alpha methyl naphthalene C10 number 0. By percentage volume of C8H18 in mixture match knock intensity of fuel. Percentage volume of C16H34 in mixture giving same ignition delay. Octane number can be greater than 100. Octane number cannot be given for diesel fuel. Petrol air fuel stoichiometric equation C8H18 plus 25 by 2 O2 gives rise to 8CO2 plus 9H2O. This weight is 12, 8 into 12 plus 18, 114. 25 by 2 into 32, 400. MO2 by MFL is equal to 400 by 114. A by F is equal to 400 by 0.23 by 114 is equal to 15.12. Why constant volume heat addition in Otto and constant pressure heat addition in diesel? Here mixture is homogeneous and combustion is fast. Entire charge is consumed at TDC only. Here only air is compressed and 2 to 3 fuel is injected, keeps on injected. So constant pressure. Petrol in SI engine, diesel in CI engine. Petrol in SI engine because good vaporization characteristic, mixing with air, better homogeneous mixture, high self-ignition temperature, use of carburetor. Diesel in CI engine, not good mixing, low self-ignition temperature, auto ignite. Carburation used for petrol fuel to mix air fuel ratio 15:1 C8H18 12:1 maximum power rich economical BSFC least to 16:1 15:1 it is here. MA dot by MF dot is equal to A by F. A by F is equal to CDA by CDF into A2 by AF into root of rho A into P1 minus P2 by rho F into P2 minus P1 minus rho G. If Z is equal to 0, A by F is equal to CD1 by CDF into A2 by AF into root rho A by rho F. That means directly proportional to root A, rho A. For our high altitudes, we can compare this. We can compare like this. How do you control the power? Like throttle valve, as we control handle accelerator. Airfoil ratio lean. This is rich 15:1 lean. This is rich. This idling cold starting rich mixture. Then economic range lean 30 to 40% throttle. So after 70% acceleration, again rich mixture. Throttle valve. Combustion in SI engine. This is PV diagram from BDC to TDC. 2 to 3 pressure highly increases, then 3 to 4 TDC to BDC. 20 degrees TDC, 20 degrees after TDC, peak pressure. Fuel is injected 20 degrees after TDC, peak pressure. Then it keeps on going down. Ideal. Knocking or detonation in SI engine, two flame fronts meeting, then knocking or detonation causes detonation. How to detect detonation? Performance falls, mileage will decrease, smoke increases, sound are audible, engine vibrates. What parameter detonation in SI engine? Our compression ratio should be less, engine speed should be more. What will you do to control detonation in SI engine? Switch to light gear and will not accelerate. Switch to lighter gear, engine speed more. Fourth, light gear means fourth or fifth gear. Will not accelerate means throttle valve will not open. So throttle valve will not open. Engine speed will be more. Self ignition temperature should be high. High octane number, less detonation. Combustion in CI engine heterogeneous 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Injection at 20, injection here, then combustion 2, then from 3 it decreases 4. 1 ignition delay, chemical plus physical. Many spots of combustion takes place, no flame front. Knocking in CI engine, opposite parameters affect as SI engine. Vibration is more in CI engine. As driver is to reduce knocking in CI engine, switch to lower gear, first and second. Detonation in SI engine, knocking in CI engine. Self-ignition temperature should be high, self-ignition temperature should be low. Octane number should be high, C10 number should be high. R here should be low, R here should be more. Sharp sound, here vibration. At end of combustion, here beginning of combustion. Supercharging to get to more power increases efficiency. Scavenging is improved. Turbocharger run by exhaust more efficient than supercharger. Supercharging is normally done for diesel engine, not for petrol engine. Racing cars, diesel engine plus supercharging. Helicopters are helicopters at high altitudes, supercharging of petrol engine to obtain normal combustion. Disadvantage of supercharging, pressure inside will be higher, so life will be lesser.